Well, here we are at First European at 114 Carlisle Street, the home of Triumph, Motor Guzzi and SWM. Let's go inside and have a chat to Andy Birchall about some of these fantastic motorcycles. Andy, tell us a bit about the fantastic motorcycles we can find here on the floor.
Yeah, well, it's a really exciting time to be the sort of dealer we are. The range of bikes coming through, the new Euro emissions regs are forcing manufacturers to bring out new technology advances, and I've got to say our manufacturers are right at the cutting edge.
And they're beautiful motorcycles, they're like works of art. But there's a motorcycle there pretty much for everybody from the beginner to the expert, isn't it?
Yeah, quite literally. I mean, the range starts from as little as $3,000 for a 150 learner bike, going right through to sort of $30,000 for a 200 horsepower superbike.
Tell us about this Triumph over here.
This engine actually will go into Moto 2 in 2019. Triumph have just done a deal with Dorna to be the sole engine supplier for Moto 2. And this engine is the engine they're going to use. So now you've got more power, more torque. Again, this is one of these bikes with a new enhanced TFT full colour screen. So advanced electronics, so you've got selectable rider modes, traction control, switchable ABS, quick shifters,
Everything that you could possibly want in a motorcycle, and the Triumph does it.
Really pleased to have the new SWM Super Dual 650. It has just arrived in the New Zealand market. It's a super lightweight adventure bike, all ready to go with Givi luggage as standard on the GT version, and at just $12,990 plus your on-road costs. I think it's really going to shake up the market, and we're really pleased to have it as part of our fleet.
But there's so many motorcycles that we can't obviously go through, so the best way is to come down here to Carlisle Street at 114 and have a look.
Yeah, most definitely. Whatever the sort of bike you're looking for, whether it's a cafe racer, a touring motorcycle, an adventure bike, we should have something that would fit the bill. Come down and talk to any of the team. There's myself and Stefan on bike sales. Dan is our parts guy. His knowledge on clothing and helmets and safety gear is second to none, and he's really helpful to help you get the right gear.
That's right. I mean, it isn't just about the cool motorcycles, but the gear to keep you safe on the road.
Most definitely, yeah.
Make sure you get down to First European at 114 Carlisle Street. Talk to Andy and the team. They're here to help you.